Hey y'all, how's it going?
How y'all doing? This is CJ here.
I'm Danny over here, and together we are
Agate Chapman.
and Rock Wizardry, and today we have a treat for you. What is it, CJ?
We are going to be unboxing our high-tech 6-inch diamond slant caber.
See the box back there? We're so excited.
Oh yes, we got it in the mail, and I can't wait.
So hey, here we go.
Let's go. Okay, we are about to unbox our high-tech 6-inch diamond slant caber machine. Let's go. All right, very first thing, instruction manual. Don't be a guy, read it. Then we have the smoothing discs and diamond paste. Then we have our grinding pad and the backing plates. And then we have our handy dandy plastic high-tech apron so you don't get it all over you. And then we have our machine. All right, and as you can see, it is a plastic frame with a plastic shield that will catch your wastewater from your cabbing. And you have your water feed, which is adjustable, which is really nice. And I'm gonna remove this. These screws are to adjust the pads to keep your grinding area inside. Now we have a 1/2-inch arbor knurl nut that will hold in your diamond plate. And your diamond plate, your diamond grinding pad, is already attached to the diamond plate, the backing plate. And there's this little nut in there that you take out. That's to protect the arbor during shipping, I'm sure. And then you stick it right on there. And you attach the knurl nut. You only hand tighten it. You don't need to wrench it down. Don't be a gorilla man. And then you put in your shield plate. And you want it, here, let me pull this back off. There's these little tabs that the edge of your shield fits right into. And you just tuck it in there, making sure it makes full contact. It also comes with 4 extra acrylic backing plates, and that's for your diamond disc, smoothing discs, and then you also have diamond paste. Okay, they come in, they give you 3 of them, 3 smoothing discs. The brown is $325, the red, which is $600, and then the blue, which they've color coded, is $1,200. And then they also send you a high-tech 11 polishing pad, and that's what you use your diamond paste on. And this is what the smoothing pads look like. They also send you rubber tubing, because I'm going to move this out of the way. Because if you look right over here, there's a nipple that you attach the waste return hose to, and it just slides right on very easily. And then you put it right down into your drain. We're using a dollar store oil pan as our drain pan. And then I'm going to turn the machine again. And then they also send you an Allen wrench, and that's to adjust the height of your arbor. Now we're going to make sure that the water return works, and you just bend it down, and we're going to put some water in here. This is your your clean water reservoir. And then I'm going to plug it in. Honey, would you be so kind as to do that?
You betcha.
Awesome.
If you'd like to know more about finding and identifying agates, then turning them into beauties like these, then consider subscribing to our channel and check out this video now.
To make sure that your water feed works, you turn it on and feed it in. See how that's coming out? You don't want that much water coming out. You just want like a quick drip. And then you turn it on. Now the RPMs go from 800 to 3,400. And 1 being 800 and 6 being 3,400. That's 800. And as I go up, you can actually see and the water feed is working correctly, which is good. And you turn your water off, turning it out of the way. Continue to follow us because we're going to start a series cabbing and polishing A to Z. Like and subscribe.